Assalamualaikum guys. Welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. Allah bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trending kids poncho crochet collection. So don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end. These kids poncho designs are so stunning and unique. I hope you all love these ideas. So viewers, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet ideas. I hope you all love these ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different colors and different decent and unique kids poncho designs. You can design your kids poncho with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet poncho collection, it's an amazing kids collection. For them, they will get new designs and new ideas related to crochet kids poncho. You know guys, crochet things represent our cultural beauty. These articles used for winter. These articles mostly handmade. If you all love this article and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for latest and new update. Be connected with me and remember me in your prayers friends. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.